Hey guys, just wanted to show you this Toro Sportlawn 21-inch lawnmower that I'm scrapping today. It's an old girl. She's got a really good reel on her though. There's lots of meat left. You can see the space between the spider piece and the reel, all of that material. So we're gonna keep this reel because I know the 21s are hard to come by these days, and this one's in nice shape. Also, the bed knife is nice and thick on this one as well. I don't know if you can see it down there. So we're scrapping a few of these reel mowers. Here's some parts I collected for scrap, and then here's some parts I collected to keep. There's a bin of clutches, and if you look over here in the old trailer, there's a couple more mowers that we're going to part out, about 30 of them. So if anybody needs parts, especially small parts that are easy to mail, maybe drop me a message. There's lots in here, including some good tires, and I know some good clutches. So yeah, I'm gonna spend the afternoon scrapping Toro Sportlawns today. Thanks for watching.